Welcome friends to AutoCAD training by Masters Academy. This is day 2 video. In this video we are going to learn about how to set up a drawing. First one is units command. For every drawing the unit which we are using is important. Before starting the drawing we should set up our unit. For that type UN in command line, then check the type. Precision, then scale and angle. I think the best one is decimal. Precision is 0.000 and centimeter. Angle degree for small drawings. Set it by clicking OK button. Next is drawing limits. Simply the limit that we can draw. Just type limits in command window. We are drawing a rectangle sheet. A limit we are setting corner coordinate of that rectangle, but only lower and upper corner. So use 0,0 for the lower left corner and just type 100,100 for the upper right corner. You can check by typing limits command whether it is right or not. Then next is plot scale and paper style. By setting the dimension of paper you want to print, set the limit as we have discussed. A4, A5, A3 as per your need. Check the PDF attached with this video for more details. Then create a new drawing. Click A button. Or Ctrl+N, or click this icon, or type new in command line. Then OK. To save drawing, click A button. Or save in a command line. Then exiting AutoCAD, click A button. Or type quit in command menu. Okay, that's for the day. I hope you understand the session. Kindly go through the video again and again. Make this basic strong. Keep watching and share to your friends. Thank you.